this is Mr. Cthulhu, and today I'm going to show you another one of my Human Maze creations. This is, this one, it has different ones. It has a marble vortex, it has one of these big spinny things, I don't know what to call them, and it has 4 cascade stilts. And it has the marble catchers at the bottom. For this one, I challenged myself to include these 2 red ones, this big spinning thing, 2 rails, and a marble vortex. And I even included 2 extra cascade stilts, which is pretty good. So, I guess without saying anything else, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So, I'm just going, because there was only one that went in here because it's a little bit off balance through the marble vortex, I'm just going to go ahead and show you what happens if it does go in the marble vortex. And you know what, just because why not, I'm going to put a bunch in the marble vortex. Really all I have to show. This is probably my favorite stunt of the stunts I own. Let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 stunts, which is a lot of stunts. No, yes, I think 17 stunts, which is a lot of stunts, and of all the 17 stunts I own, this one is my favorite. And yeah, this has been Mr. Cthulhu. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment to let me know that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!